16 Tukite kuhituka kumria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yaruguririe tafarira ya ukinyeria muingi motugata ma ugima wa mwiri miciini yao na kuma mubango ucio wa rugurio undu wa mwanya ni ati kuringana na mwaria wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura thirikari ndiri yarihe aheani ya motugata ma miciini undu umwe na mubango wa inua jamii mbeca cia gucierekereria ona thengia wa ndore magunikaga na mubango guthii na mbere na kuongerereka undu uyu ucungiririo ni thirikari kwaga mbeca kumana nayo kugithia kigina kinene kuriha mathiri ma bururi maria mabatirite na gukia shilingi trilioni 10.
The national government is giving 5,000 shillings. The county governments are giving 5,000. If there is any delay from the national government in terms of payment, it will also be honored. So don't worry. And any CHP out there who's not received their arrears, you know, the national government has been having liquidity crisis because we have a debt issue, but it will be paid. So you'll get your money because
na kuona riu igoti ni rireketie kuhe thirikari wathani wa gutwarithia na mbere mubango wao wa kuhetukio kwa direct ya Social Health Insurance Fund wa 2023 kuringana na mwaria wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura augite ati mubango ni gukorwo gikinyanirio kuria marihi ma kugithio kuma shilingi 500 guthi shilingi 300 undu uyu gicungiriria sekta ya ugima wa mwiri guthii na mbere na kugacirithia guothe undu uria ugucungiriria Kenya ingi makorwo makiguneka na mubango uyu uria ukuhuthika mathibitari ma thirikari mugaru na hau gabere kuria also
further to that, 54% of any other contributor from 300 upwards are going to benefit from a reduced amount of money. So they are going to gain. This is because 3/4 of Kenyans earn 50,000 shillings and below. So they actually benefit more. It's only 46% of Kenyans who are going to have a marginal increase by 2.2% on average.
Na kurumirira ukuria sekta ine ya ngenda cia ukinyaneria kuringana na mwaria wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura aikitie kuuga ati aheani a motugata maya ma thibitari miciini ona uriu ni mareketie kuheo thimu cia kiriu iria ikuhuthika kuiga data cia arwaru undu uria ugucungiriria andu othe kwamukira marigitani hatari guthutukanio.
NHIF was going to private hospitals and private entities that sometimes were doing more surgeries than the best of hospitals in other jurisdictions like America. So it was a fraudulent system. But now, most of the money from SHIF will actually go to fund our hospitals.
Muthingi TV,